Somebody had the bright idea we were going to do something with jack-o'-lanterns tomorrow. And the problem is we don't have any jack-o'-lanterns around. Welcome to the glamorous world of making videos. This Messermeister pumpkin carving set's pretty nice though. Saw it in there real good, and the grip is really nice. Like, even though it's all slimy, I'm not slipping or anything, which is pretty good. But dude, it goes right in there and it flexes real nice. This actually makes pretty quick work of carving ye old jack-o'-lantern. Hey Miguel, brought you some cantaloupe. Actually, didn't take long at all. That was a jack-o'-lantern carved in 6 minutes. No brand names. All we need is fire. So we got a bunch of these some Halloween-themed RMJ Thumpers in stock. One of them says Pumpkin Smasher. So we're not going to sell it to you if we don't know it's going to work. So we're going to find out.
It's a dried gourd.
Dried
Please tell me there are no cars in here.
So what we're doing right now is we're going to make a cinemagraph, which our social media team over here, we've got Matthew, our photographer, and Seth, our guru. And it's always a great day when we get to smash some pumpkins at work, man.
That's gonna be on you, dog.
I'm not cleaning nothing up.
Well, you're the one deciding to break some up in here.
Let's just get a test.
Are you sure we don't want to do it? Can we do it over in the shadow on the side of the building?
What about in the woods where would that be dark enough? Matthew's not going anywhere near the woods.
Or it wasn't Rocky Mountain Spotted Fever, but it was something close to it.
It was really bad.
Yeah, no, if we're doing it here, we gotta have a plan to clean it up. We can't.
Yeah.
And like, it's not really compelling atmosphere here at all, I don't think.
So let's put a pumpkin right here. Can we get this lower?
Right? We can do that.
It's not like it's going to stain the brick.
Yeah, correct. It will hose off, but
But we gotta do it.
Just so I can get an idea.
Oh, you want me to light it? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, give me one of the big ones and the other small one as well.
You just put your lighter in there? That would be awesome.
I'm gonna buy me one of them lighters, David.
It's an awesome lighter.
Unless you need to light something in a pumpkin.
Yeah.
Show me the stick on the pumpkin real quick. Straight. No, not right there. That's where you want it.
I think we need to take the topper off, because otherwise...
Turn it. Rotate your pumpkin. There you go. You're gonna point it up at me like this. Perfect. No, I think you smash it like that.
If this is there and some of the force, we might not get as much breaking apart if
Okay.
it's pushing that down. That's my thought.
Can we?
Wow.
Let's do this.
Set it off to the side.
That way the top will pop up.
And I can aim right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Is it really a fire stunt unless you singe some of your hairs off?
Looking good.
Yeah, that's looking good.
And we're out.
Where's the wind coming from?
Actually, David, let's move the pumpkin this way. We're gonna move the whole pumpkin towards me more. Come on back. Come on back. To my left. Left, 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 left. Good.
There you go.
How many Davids does it take to light it?
I had them all lit, you jerks.
Man, I wish we could keep your lighter in there. It really lights it up.
I mean, we can.
Just put it in
Put it in
there.
there.
Let me get rid of these damn candles.
No, leave
No, leave the
Leave
candles.
the candles in? Huh?
this bug.
He knows what's about to go down.
He's ready. Okay. Got it.
No, I didn't have a stable angle yet. Thomas, give me your fixed blade. You always carry a good fixed blade, I'm telling you.
Yes.
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 We may be sacrificing my Titan light to the
Show
event,
me where you're gonna hit.
but I think it'll survive. Right there.
Yes. Okay, you're just gonna come down,
Straight down.
straight down.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh damn! The lighter even went out.
I'm letting my hair be the wind direction indicator here.
There you go. It's like a wind vane.
Yeah,
Like a weather vane.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Ready?
we are speeding.
Whenever I'm ready.
Whenever you're ready. Nice. that was good.
By God, it'll smash a pumpkin.
Let me see if we got usable.
And the lighter survived too.
It's an Exotac. Of course it did. None the worse for wear. Pumpkin smasher. You can tell it's been through something. And boom.
Nice. That's all I need.
We got all these pumpkins left.
We gotta
destroy
some
'em.
baseball. You want to do one more?
I
Let's
guess
do one more.
We got some extra pumpkins, man. Well, hang on. This is still lit. We gotta stop. We gotta put an end to that.
Smash it.
I mean, I always love my job. We've got the Messermeister pumpkin set that I carved the whole dang thing with. We could widen that hole out.
Do we have a stick? I mean,
Observe.
like a. You know what I'm talking about?
We need that grill lighter or a long match.
How about a piece of paper rolled up?
Try that.
Yeah. Burn. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's throw a bunch of paper in there and light it on fire.
That'll be super bright.
It would be super bright. Some gasoline, maybe?
We have a torch.
We can put it in the other side and just stick the whole torch head through there.
Somebody give me some paper.
We're going big.
Actually, dude, if this thing is really flaming, that would look really awesome.
It would look
if it's, like,
super cool.
flames out the
Let's
top.
let's light these candles right here.
It's probably gonna blow out.
I got some brake cleaner. That might be flammable a little bit.
Before. Kona, get out here.
Alright, let's get the candles out.
Before you die, we need more paper to actually put in there.
Let's
Matt, wait.
Hold on, I
I'm gonna stand behind him.
it's time.
just want to see.
In focus, stick in focus. But let's get stuff.
Yep.
There we go.
These weren't important, were they?
No. It's not evidence, Bruce. Well, let's get that going, and so
Where's the-
all right.
the
So
lid?
you need no lid. Otherwise, we're not going to get any. It's going to need the oxygen, I think. To flame should be coming out the top of this one.
Okay.
Let's go extreme.
Keep in mind his hand might be twisted.
Okay, Matt, is there any chance you can bring that around over here so we get it out of the way quick?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Sweet. Rolling. Wait. One more. Wait. Go more.
Destruction. I should have hit harder.
Light it again. That's actually a pretty cool shot. Oh man, that's so gnarly looking.
That's cool.
That is really cool. Rotate that thing for me just a little bit.
Good now.
Alright, I think we got enough to work with
Awesome.
something.
Awesome.
Good job, guys!
Woo! Smashed.
Now what are we gonna smash?
We got more pumpkins still.
All right.
Yeah.
I mean, smashed slightly. Let's do a little bit of little T-ball.
Don't hit the Tacoma.
I saw seeds.
It's so underwhelming from that angle. That's what shows you these thumpers will really thump, man.
All right, Matt D. Do RMJ proud.
You're a KnifeCenter. We're really talented.
You know, the best thing about all this, it's not even trash. This will all go right in the compost. We gotta come up with another location here. We gotta get some more people involved too.
David C. Anderson up to the plate.
My thought process is it's already open at the top, so everything will spray upward. I will be wrong.
Matt D, heads up. What's going to be the final finale here?
I mean, we got the kukris.
It's a good point. You know, as thumpy as these thumpers are,
They're not
They
exactly
don't-
knives.
we are the KnifeCenter. We need some blades. See if we can get another ring or something.
Yeah, I think the kukri's better for cutting lettuce.
It's a clean cut.
Yeah, stack them and then straight down.
No. Was thinking about tossing it, but no, I'm not going to do that. And we're done. Got to make sure everything works here. Product testing is what this is. Caveat, I've never thrown a spear before. Again, I have no idea what I'm doing. Someone in the comments will let us know what we're doing wrong, I'm sure. It's YouTube, of course. I don't know what I'm doing either.
Clearly.
Somebody Google how to throw a spear. Hey!
Oh!
I got this spike pointing towards my abdomen. It's a little hair raising.
Hey!
Trash gang pickup. Also works for yard work. So as I think you can tell, the RMJ Pumpkin Smasher Thumper will pumpkin smash and will thump pumpkins. It's a lot of fun. We got these, we got a few other different patterns. You can check them all out. You can see the links in the description for all the products we used out here today while we were goofing off. And yeah, get these before Halloween. Have a good time with them. I love my job. Oh, we can't use that tape.
Can't use that tape.
Something, what are these called? Can't use that.
Can't use that. Definitely letting the sight down, David.
Can't use that. I don't know if we can show that.
Can't.